Hello, it's Grayson with Ramen KG TV, and I got a new car, a DMC DeLorean. Just kidding. I actually got a 1998 Subaru Impreza Outback Sport, which, funny enough, is actually the car that I wanted before my WRX. But I mean, come on, it's a WRX. When I saw it for sale, I knew I had to buy it, so I did. But just kind of looking at things, like in order to do certain upgrades for my WRX, certain fixes, things like that, it may be down. Like, I'm thinking of replacing my transmission pretty soon. Therefore, I would need another car to drive around. And this car is just, it really is awesome. The interior is almost perfect. However, the exterior needs quite a bit of work. It has heaps of rust. The rear differential is leaking. It has rear drum brakes, which are a pain to service. The windshield and roof liner are missing. The power steering pump is leaking, and the horn doesn't work. Either way, I think I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this car, just fixing it up and just doing like body work and just different things like that, just to get it in a better running condition. And plus, green is my favorite color. So, I mean, that's why I think this car is so sweet. That's why I went so far out of my way. I drove up to Logan, which is 2 hours from here and 2 hours back. That was super long. But hopefully it'll be worth it. I hope you will enjoy this car as much as I do. But until next time. Bye.